At Foursquare ITP, we advance innovative, practical, and equitable transportation planning solutions that meet a broad array of mobility needs. We pride ourselves on developing results-oriented and actionable recommendations. Drawing on our expertise in data science, public and stakeholder engagement, and design and visualization, we're focused on improving mobility through non-single occupancy vehicle travel.
Our portfolio of projects covers a range of contexts and scales, from helping transit agencies plan for and implement transit service improvements, to planning transit priority corridors, to working with regional and state agencies on visionary plans.
This video offers a preview of just a few of the wide-ranging collection of tools and services we bring to every project.
Reflect catches inefficiencies in service and validates GTFS schedule data for common errors that could leave the customer asking, "Where's my bus?" Upload a zipped GTFS feed and the app will get to work. This site uses the latest and greatest GTFS validator tools, validating feeds as large as 100 megabytes. In a few minutes, you'll see your high-level results. High-severity issues are those that may affect customer routing. Medium-severity issues may affect how service information is displayed. And low-severity issues are issues like unused stops that your agency might want to address, time permitting.
Foursquare ITP's propensity model uses a community-tailored methodology to support market analyses and answer the questions: where is transit relied upon, and where would transit be most successful? Upload a shapefile or select a geography. Adjust parameters and weights as needed, and the model pulls in census and LEHD data to find transit propensity across a variety of indices.
Our transit data dashboards support agencies' internal performance monitoring efforts by making it easy to track reliability, efficiency, passenger volumes, complaints, safety metrics, and more. It's easy to filter by service type, route, period, direction, and month. Our transportation data science team automates the collection and processing of transit data from various sources so it can be stored and visualized in an organized web interface. This makes transit data available to all agency staff, regardless of skill set or computing power, improving daily decision-making.
See how far and how quickly passengers can travel from anywhere in your system using travel time isochrones. Foursquare ITP's tool combines GTFS schedule data and open-source street network information to generate transit travel time isochrones at any time period or location. The results are a valuable aid in evaluating mobility from key points of interest or transit stations and facilitate the comparison of alternative transit network scenarios.
As part of our service planning process, our team not only considers how transit can be key to making jobs and resources accessible to reliant and essential populations, but takes special care to measure the impact our recommendations have on various populations. Foursquare ITP looks holistically at the transit needs throughout a community by looking at frequency of transit service, job accessibility, and equity emphasis areas to determine where the greatest transit needs and gaps are.
Our interactive route profiles take route and system performance evaluations to a new level. Select a route and instantly visualize that typical route performance metrics, such as ridership per trip, per hour, and per mile, as well as on-time performance. Its dynamic mapping interface also allows us to toggle additional data layers, like our Transit Propensity Index and Microtransit Suitability Index, on and off.
We specialize in creating informative, easy-to-read maps that tell a story at a glance. We often deploy web map applications and stakeholder outreach to present different route and network alternatives, which you can picture side by side with various demographic, travel flow, and land use layers. You can even use the web map applications like this one to solicit input and collect comments.
Are you conducting an origin-destination study? The trip chain validator verifies whether a person can in fact go from point A to point B using routes they reported in the survey. Use it to get high-quality survey data and perform sophisticated analytics on transfer locations and travel patterns.
Through our leadership in transportation planning, Foursquare ITP is proud to enhance the livability, environmental sustainability, social equity, and economic vitality of communities. For more information, please visit us at foursquareitp.com.